Hello guys, today I'll be cooking pork mince with vegetables and fruits. This is very spicy guys. Let's start.
So this is our apple guys. I chop it and I soak in a syrup from the peach house. And then I'm using 3 calamansi for the minced pork. And we're using this, this is our red bell pepper, spring onions, and this is our then this is our 1 tablespoon pickles relish. I've got 6 garlic cloves minced, half of the brown onion, this one, minced. I've got spring onion heads, chopped, and then I've got our, this is our hot red chili and green chili guys, plus 1 more broth chicken cube. And here is our, I'm using oyster sauce, salt, and pepper. Okay, let's start now our cooking. So this is our 500 grams pork mince. Ito yung giniling na karning baboy. So I'll put already a little bit of salt, 3 pieces of calamansi juice, and then I'll put also ground pepper. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm going to add our oil. So that's around, so it will add more flavor of the garlic. So do not wait that our frying pan is very hot. So just add immediately our garlic. That's the rule number 1. Maamoy mo talaga yung yung garlic. So let us wait until our garlic turns to light brown. So the title of our cooking for today is spicy pork mince with vegetables and fruit. You know why there is fruit? Because I add 1 apple. Or I can say fruits because I'm going to add pineapple. Now we are going to add our minced brown onion. Kasi na ang ating garlic. Nag-add talaga siya ng flavor guys. Pati yung ating spring onion heads. So tendency kasi guys, pag nilagay natin yung garlic earlier para mag-add siya ng flavor at the same time, huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi yun masusunog kasi pag naipon na yun ng ating brown onions or any red onions whatsoever, it adds flavor. Okay? And finally now. So I'm going to add now our mince. Pork mince. Buksan mo, papasukin ko na. This is our pork mince, guys. So pag ako magluto ng mince, guys, ako na I wash it and then strain it and then yun, bago ko lagyan ng mga sangkap. Flavor na siya guys. So at this point guys, we will add our nor cube. Yung ilagay ko na guys. Ito siya. Para ano na siya. Spicy pork mince with fruits and vegetables. Ang saya na. Kasi yung pineapple fruits na yun. Yung apple din. Low heats. Pinakamababa. Turn off natin ng konti yung ating, in a medium heats talaga. Heat. So, i-check na natin guys. I-check na natin ang ating hiniling. It's about 5 minutes. Wow, sarap pala. So, ngayon guys, ilagay na natin ang ating mga iba't ibang sangkap pa. Yung ating oyster sauce. Sarap talaga ako magluluto guys. Sabi nila. Sabi ko rin. So, 1 tablespoon. So, ilagay na natin guys ang ating chilli, hot chilli, and our bell pepper. Okay, and our carrots. Ladies and gentlemen, we are cooking our spicy pork mince with vegetables and fruits. Ito ay isa pinaka-unique na pagkain guys. At malasang lasa ito. Look, sa look pa lang. Sa ano pa lang niya guys, nagugutom na ako. Okay? Okay ba mga fariko, mga mariko? So, kung may mga taong hindi gusto kumain ng chili, may chili guys, huwag na lang kayo magdagdag. Pero kain kami ng spicy. Ano ba yan? Daming hulasan. At this point talaga guys, ilagay na natin ang ating pickles. This is pickles relish, 1 tablespoon. At saka itong ating apple guys. Our chopped apple. So yung binababad ko siya guys ng isang serve. Maglalagay ako nito guys 200 grams ng pineapple tidbits. So si Rice, ready na si Rice. Sabi ni Rice, I am here. Nagluluto ako ng rice guys kasi 2 araw na hindi ako nakakain ng rice. 2 days. Kasi kaya kakain na ako ngayon ng rice. Guys, so we will wait for, maano na yung ating veggies. Magkano talaga umaanghang. Maglagay ako guys ng this is soy sauce. 2. It's like 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then, yung asin. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. Sarap. Lagyan ko ng 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce. This is barbecue sauce, guys. Para manamis-namis na masarap-sarap na. Kita nyo? 1 tablespoon lang. Nagugutom na ako, guys. Manamis-namis na maahang-ahang. You can also use this, guys, when you are going to make a empanada. This spicy empanada is yum. Super yum talaga. Tama na. So, isisimmer na lang natin ng pahinay-hinay, guys, ha, until maluluto yung ating veggies. At maluluto na rin ang aking rice to russes. Tingnan natin tikman natin ang ating karne. Sarap. Tikwa. It's about 1 teaspoon. So guys, alam nyo ba guys na hindi ako naglalagay ng tubig kasi ang veggies ko guys, meron na siyang konting juice at saka yung fruits ko. Plus yung pineapple juice natin andito na. So ito na. Maganda ba at masaya? Hotdogs. Naglagay din ako ng hotdogs. Ito. So, the last part in our program is the last part in our cooking, guys. The taste is alright because I've already make a taste test. Now, I am going to sprinkle this wonderful green thin slices. And this is, look, so this is our last part. So if you are going to watch this video and if you can guess what is the last part that I put in my cooking, Thank you for watching, guys, to my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comment, and of course, click the bell button, guys, for more videos notification. Thank you and mabuhay tayong lahat. Go, 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 go! Thank you, guys. Thank you and bye!